Today I'm finally sharing our apartment tour with you guys. This video genuinely has been in the works since we moved to this apartment, and I still don't feel like this apartment is completely finished, but I decided I'm gonna just go ahead and film this video today because otherwise I'm never gonna get this up. So I'm really excited, and I hope you guys love our space just as much as we do. Before we get into the actual tour, I do want to say a couple of different things. First things first, I did work with an amazing interior designer named Seher. I'm gonna leave her Instagram in the description box below. And she really helped me a lot with my beauty room. Even for our living space, she gave me so much advice. She recommended the coolest pieces, which I will be talking through, of course, during the tour. So I wanna give a huge shout out to Seher. The second thing is also that I purchased most of the pieces that you guys see in this video at HomeGoods, and they're really hard to find because HomeGoods is like known for like one-off pieces. But I will do my best to link everything that I mentioned in the description box below. I'm gonna like number everything on the screen as I mention it, and then check that number in the description box below. The third thing I wanted to mention is that I actually will not be showing my beauty room in this video because otherwise this video just would have been way too long, and also my beauty room is still in progress. I know it looks finished, but it's not. So I do want to quickly finish that before I show it to you guys. That should be up very soon. I think that's it, right? Yeah, I don't think I need to say anything else. So without further ado, let's finally get into our home tour video. So that door is the entrance to the apartment, and right next to the door I do have this little hook right here, which I got from Target. It actually broke right away after I bought it, which sucks because this part is supposed to be like a really cool mirror, or not mirror, like a marble thing. But nevertheless, I do have this hung up right here for us to hang our keys so we don't lose them anywhere. And then right underneath, I do have the Simple Human trash can, which I love. And here's why. Open can. Boom! It actually opens when you tell it to open, which I think is like the coolest thing. Anyway, moving on to like my favorite nook of the apartment. Again, the entrance. I love this little nook so much because this just really sets a vibe for the apartment. Seher, my interior designer, actually told me that it would be a really good idea for me to put a mirror right in the entrance so people can kind of see themselves walking by in or out, and I thought that was such a great idea. Then we have this little table right here, which I love so much. So I do have this beautiful tray that I love so much. I also have this stunning Buddha. And then back there, I do have this like mirrored box, and that just holds like a wallet, mail, random things that I don't want sitting outside. I also do have this little elephant that I found. Like I said, like this just sets a vibe of like East meets West, which you guys will see throughout the apartment. Now moving on to this little corner right here. This is Kobe's little eating station. That pink stain on the wall that you guys see is actually from the giant beauty blender that I cannot get off my wall. But anyway, I also do have the coat closet right here, which is amazing. Then this door right here actually leads you to the bathroom, but we will talk about the bathroom in just a few minutes. For now, let's go back right here to our kitchen. So a quick look at the kitchen, and you guys can clearly see that we don't have a lot on our counters because our kitchen, as you guys can see, is actually connected to the living room. So I found that if you have too much stuff going on the counter, then it makes your kitchen look kind of cluttered. So this is just like a quick tip. If you want like your space to clean, just try to hide all of the random bits that you don't use on a daily basis. I just want to show you guys the kitchen from this angle as well, because you can really get a better look at what the kitchen looks like. And also quickly talk about these bar stools, which are my favorite things. They're from Target. I will link them below. They come in a bunch of different colors and they're beautiful. I did go ahead and paint the legs gold. I did use like a gold leaf paint, which I will link the exact one in the description box below, but I just love how they turned out. We also have these two massive doors right here, which everyone seems to think they are closets, but they're not. They're actually our laundry room, I guess. You have washer and dryer in our apartment, which I'm so thankful for. And then I also have this thing right here, which I've talked about before for sure in my old apartment. I do have two of these stacked on top of one another, which is why it's so long, but I love this thing. I recommend it. Again, if you have like thin, small spaces, but you want to hold a lot of stuff, This is an amazing thing to buy. I will link it below. Trust me, you guys will love this thing. Okay, so moving away from the laundry room, we head right into the living room. This living room is just, I don't know, it just makes me feel like I'm so at home. Every time I see it, every time I walk in, every time I'm just like lounging around, I love our living room. And a lot of the pieces that you guys see are actually from our old apartment that we brought over, but I also do have some newness, so I'm gonna break it down for you guys. First things first, I love this bar cart, not only because it holds so much, but also because I feel like it's just such a piece in itself. And then I do have this black and white abstract, which I bought like a few years ago, but I just love it because again, it's like a vibe with this art piece. Couch, I get a lot of questions about, is from CB2. We bought this like 3+ years ago and it's still going strong. And then I also have this beautiful lamp on the side from Target Home. You guys, Target Home actually has some really cool pieces. I love this lamp and I really recommend it. It's made really, really well. Looks really expensive and just goes with the overall vibe of the entire living room so beautifully. We also have some throw pillows and they are a pop of color because they match back to this beautiful chair, which I bought from Overstock. It's from Tove Furniture, but buy it from Overstock because it's way cheaper. And I love this chair. We also have this end table right here, which my husband loves to use to do his work. And then right here is this beautiful plant that I get so many questions about. I love this thing. It is so beautiful and it looks so real. Like everyone that walks in is always like, oh my gosh, is that plant real? It's not, it's fake, but it's so pretty. Moving on to the TV console, and I did spend a lot of time styling it, buying like random pieces from HomeGoods, from other places, and I just love how it came together. I do have some plants there. I also love to decorate with books, which you guys will see that even in our bedroom. So I do have some coffee table books there. I also have some like other books, as well as like random accessories, and that really cute picture of Kobe, which is like our favorite picture of him. He was so small and he just is like the happiest boy there. I also get a lot of questions about this beautiful Ohm that my husband's aunt, our aunt, gave to us. Okay, now moving on to this table right here, which again, I get a lot of questions about. We love this table so much. It's from Modani. It wasn't too expensive at all. I think we must have gotten it on sale or something. So like storage in the bottom so you can like put stuff like your remote control and all that stuff. So all that is just like hidden and your space just looks really clean. And then right on top of it, I did go ahead and style it with some more books, flowers, crystals, candles, all that good stuff. Also, this rug, I got a lot of questions when I shared it on Instagram, is from Wayfair, and let me tell you guys, we went through like 7 different rugs here. I could not find one that I liked, and then I randomly found this one and I like fell in love with it. And before I actually go into that room, which is our bedroom, I do want to quickly show you guys this ottoman, which is one of my favorite pieces in the apartment, and it just looks like a normal ottoman, but this thing is awesome because check this out. Bam! It holds all of Kobe's toys. Kobe plays with all of his toys and they're usually all over our floor, and then at the end of the night we'll just put them away in here. Okay, now we are making our way into the bedroom, and I wanted to keep the decor very, very minimal here and just have like a spa hotel-like vibe, and I really feel like we achieved that with the decor here. So first things first, huge shout out to Seher for recommending these beautiful wall lamps. I initially did not see her vision at all, but once I bought them and we put them on the wall, we were like shook at how right she was, because these lamps are so stunning and really, really make the entire room. 3 of our favorite pictures on top of our bed frame. Our bed frame is actually from Wayfair, I think, or All Modern. I'm not sure. I'll have to check my history, but I will link it below for you guys, and I really, really recommend this bed. The bedding and the mattress is from Allswell, with the exception of like the decorative pillows. Those I got from HomeGoods, as well as this throw, which is also from HomeGoods. The side tables are from, I think, Jocelyn Maine or All Modern, one of those websites. And then on top of the actual side tables, I have like random decor. So I do have some more candle, I have more fake plants, a facial spray in the back, another mirrored box, and of course my facial roller. I'm obsessed with facial rollers, they're everywhere. On this side of the room, which is my husband's side, we have, first of all, our vacuum cleaner thing, which gets used like multiple times throughout the day. It's from Amazon. Highly recommend it. And then I also have some more books to decorate with, faux plants, and then this thing right here, which is, what do you call this thing? It's like an essential oil diffuser. It makes the room smell nice. Oh my gosh, I cannot speak anymore. Then moving on to this side right here, I do have yet another faux plant. I think that guy is from Marshall's. I freaking love that thing, even though it's kind of like starting to fall apart, but I'm not getting rid of it because I love it. And then I also have this beautiful dresser right here, which again, I feel like just makes the entire room. We found this again in Home Goods. We saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, I need this in my life. And initially it had like really like dark silvery handles, and I knew I wanted to paint them gold. And once I did that, it transformed it so much, and I love this thing. We have our TV mounted, another floor lamp, which this is from Target again, more books. That shell right on top of the books, my mom actually bought for me when she went to the Bahamas years ago, and I actually spray painted it gold. You guys, can you guys tell I paint everything gold? So that's on top there as well as this beautiful Ganesh, which I actually bought from India for my husband years ago, and we kept that in our room, as well as some like other accessories like another crystal, another faux plant, facial mist, candles, all that good stuff. From the bedroom, we do go into this little hallway right here, and initially I wasn't really gonna put anything in this hallway, but then I saw this also at Home Goods, and I was like, I have to have this. And it just says I love us, and it's magnetic. So of course we have pictures of Kobe. This is like the day we bought him home, and then this is him now. Is that not the cutest you've ever seen in your life? So we just have him and his little pictures on this board. We want to put more pictures here and more like quotes and stuff. And then of course we also have a hamper right here for our clothes. Let's get into the bathroom, and this is the master bathroom. So of course you have the, you know, the necessities like the toilet, the medicine cabinet, but this thing is a game changer. This is genuinely what like sold me this apartment, and I love it so much, especially as a beauty blogger. This is everything to me. And before I open it, I want you guys to remember, I did not buy most of these things with my own money. Most of these. Some of these things I did buy. Most of these things were sent to me because I am a beauty blogger full time. This is my job. So I just want to preface that before I open this, because trust me, it's a lot. It's a lot even for me to look at. But I love it because it really, really organizes my life in the most amazing way. Like, check out this cabinet situation. It holds all of my hair, body, products so beautifully. I love it, love it, love it, love it so much. Move on to the shower, which this shower curtain I'm pretty sure is from Target. I mean, there's nothing exciting about it at all, but it is a shower curtain, and I kind of like that this thing like curves. I never really even noticed that. Anyway, moving on to this little hook thingy right here that holds our towel. That's the hook that broke. You know, I showed you guys in the beginning. That's what the hook should have looked like. It's from Target. It's really cute. It's just like really, really like cheaply made, and it breaks very easily. Let's talk about this right here. I actually saw this saying in like, I don't even know, either on Etsy or Pinterest, and I thought it was so clever and so funny, so I decided to, you know, just write it out on this board thingy, and it's so cute. And then we also have yet another hamper in the bathroom, and this holds anything white, so like white towels, t-shirts, anything that we don't want to like mix in with the other clothes goes in there. And then right on top I have this mirrored box, and it says open mirrored box, take one or a few on your way out. And this has a bunch of sheet masks that I love to just ask my guests to take as many as they want on their way out. Okay, now finally moving on to the sink slash mirror slash vanity area. I don't even know what this area is called. First of all, I'm so out of breath because I've been holding this camera now, so I apologize again if that sounds really annoying. But anyway, let's quickly talk about everything that's here. So again, another fake plant that matches the Rituals lotion and hand wash. And then moving on to this side, I have yet another Rituals diffuser, which that thing is really old. I actually think I need to like add more scent in there because there's not much left. But here I have like products that I like to use on a daily basis or like on my way out, because this is not the bathroom that I use to get ready in. I'll show you guys that another time. But this is kind of like my essentials. So I have like a perfume, lip balm, my Laneige cream skin if I want to use that at night. Stuff like that that just like is not only pretty to look at, but things that I do want to use, you know, on a day-to-day basis. Also sits on my counter. Okay, so that's it for the bathroom tour. Now we're gonna make our way out. Yes, you can use this door again to get back into the living room. And again, here is another look at everything. And now we go into the beauty room, which to be honest with you guys, I'm actually not going to go into detail at all today because this is still a work in progress. And this is like the clean part. If I show you guys on this side, that's where the hot mess is. So this is just like the little view that you guys are gonna get for now, but a full tour is coming soon. Stay tuned. But that's it, you guys. That's our apartment tour. I really, really hope you guys love this space as much as we do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will do my best to link as many products as I can in the description box below. Thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!